This video I'm going to show you how you can add multicolors to your text. So let's get started. First, add your text here. I will type multicolor. Now if you want to change the font, you can change. I will change into Revelo font. Now just go to the share button and just download it as a PNG into transparent background and upload it to Canva. I will delete this and upload it here. Now you can adjust the size or add this from all the sides. So increase the size of this text. You can also download in some color. Now make a copy of it and change the color of this. Go to edit photo and here is the option duotone. You can change the color with this tool. Now again make a copy of it and change color one by one. Now make a group and change the color of the backgrounds to make it more visible, or you can add this text into your design like this. How it's looking so awesome. So this is how you can add colors, or you can give multicolors to your text. I hope you liked this tutorial. Subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.